Idioms, idioms, idioms. Is it important to know a lot of idioms and to use them?
Yes.
Wow.
Is it difficult to learn idioms?
But I don't understand all of the idioms
You shouldn't
that you are
understand all
talking
of
about.
them. You shouldn't, by the way. It's all about practicing. If you practice them, you will understand the meaning. If you do not, it's okay. For example, when I'm telling you that, I had an exam yesterday. It was a piece of cake. Yes. You don't have to understand.
I understand. I
You know some.
idioms,
Okay.
so I understand
You're talking
them.
generally.
Yes.
But why can't we know more about idioms to be fully aware of what the others say? Why not?
Why idioms are important?
Because it's always used in our conversation as part of their cultures.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you the idioms, and I need you to think about the meanings.
Okay.
What do you think? How does that sound to you?
Okay, I like
We
that.
will gain lots of idioms and with their definitions.
Let's get started.
Okay, perfect. When I'm telling you, feel free to tell me what happened between you and your manager. The coast is clear. What do you mean? Look at me, I'm acting. The coast is clear.
I may understand it maybe because of your intonation.
Yes,
Nobody's here.
Thank you.
Really?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Coast is clear.
Okay, so the
Yes.
coast is clear means
No
feel
one is
free
watching.
is here.
Thank you.
Really?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Coast is clear.
Okay, so the
Yes.
coast is clear means
No
feel
one
free.
is watching. Yes, no
There
one.
is nobody here. Nobody
Exactly.
here.
Yes, feel. Yeah, you can say that again. See
Okay.
how easy it is.
Okay.
Okay, let's move to the second one.
Yes.
When I'm telling you that, we don't see eye to eye. We don't see eye to eye on the solution. What does it mean? We don't see eye to eye.
We don't see eye to eye.
We don't see eye to eye.
Say or
See. We don't see eye to eye.
We don't have eye contact, maybe.
No. Like for example, I disagree with you when I'm telling you, but here it's a polite way
We
to say
are
so.
not on the same page, you mean?
Now we are talking. Now we are
Okay.
talking. Thank you.
Okay.
What else? Tell me.
Give me another one.
Another one. When I'm telling you that, if you scratch my back, I will scratch yours. Of course, you know it.
If you annoy me, I will annoy you.
Okay, this is what you think. If you do me a favor, I will do it in return. Yes.
Okay.
Tell me.
طيب.
Stuffed shirt. My manager is such a stuffed shirt.
So formal.
Exactly. So
Right.
that's
لو أنا عايزة أقول
why are you speaking in Arabic?
because it's in Arabic.
آه.
أنا مخنوقة من الشخص ده جدا. جايبة آخري من حد.
It was written on your face. It's pretty obvious. I asked you in the first place what's wrong with you. You told me nothing. But now you want.
Do you have an idiom to express it?
I have lots of idioms. Let's say
Uh-huh.
I have had it up to here with. I have had it up to here with someone or something. I have had it up to here with you because
Thank
you come
you.
late. I'm fed up. I'm fed up
Fed
with
up,
some.
yeah.
You are in the thin ice with me. You're in the thin ice
Give
with
that.
me. Exactly. You're in the thin ice with me. I have
I
had it
like
up
it.
to here.
Okay.
With me. So you work as an English instructor like me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means teaching is our bread and the butter. Bread,
Exactly.
exactly.
Bread and
See-
butter.
Yeah, see how easy it is.
Okay.
It's all about practicing. Just practice idioms.
Okay, thank you.
You are very welcome. Be my guest. Bye.